People have asked me about AMC. Where's AMC going to be? I recently created a video talking about GME and where I believe they are going to be. Will they get above $500? But a lot of people are asking me, will AMC reach $30? Will it reach $50? Will it reach $100? And I wanted to break this down. I wanted to give you my opinion, and this is all based on a thorough analysis. I am not a financial advisor, so I don't want to give you this advice and have you invest into this stock at a price that you really weren't comfortable with, and then you all of a sudden take a loss. So I don't want that to happen. Don't take my advice at all when it comes to investing into this market. But I'm going to give you my opinion on where I believe the price will be. So before we get started, please hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Also check out some of my credit card links if you're interested in that. So if we look at AMC, they're currently sitting at 1346. But they closed at 1326. You might be seeing different numbers because you might be looking at pre-market numbers. Maybe it's less, maybe it's more. I don't really know, but at this point where I'm looking at it, it's 1346. Look at the overall curve of the chart. This is what I wanted to break down first, just so you do understand this. If I look at the overall curve of this chart, you're going to see that you had massive spikes in the beginning. You had a large increase from where it was and then all the way up to basically 24 to where it shot back down. And you had this crazy volatility for the last week or so. Now, a lot of people are asking me, is it going to get back up to 20? Is it going to go to 30? Is it going to go to 50? Well, if it was going to go to a high price, it would have went somewhere in the last week. But they shut down trading for Robinhood, for other brokerages, and then they also limited trading the next day. This made it difficult for the price to increase, and that's why you've seen that massive drop off, basically from the $20 mark all the way down to $6.50. And then after that, people are starting to wonder, like, what's going to happen here? You do see these peaks and valleys, these quick peaks and valleys, which I'm really excited about. But if you look at the overall curve of it, you're going to see that the curve is a slow trend, trending upwards. And people are wondering, how long is it going to take to get to 20? Is it going to get to 20? Is it going to get to 30, 40, 50? When is it going to get to these highs? And to tell you the truth, it all depends on what happens in the pre-market and what happens the first day, because we could still be limiting trading. We could still be looking at this as slow increases, so it might take a while, and then we'll have these sharp decreases. So a lot of people kept on saying that AMC is going to hit 100 this week, and I don't believe that it will hit 100 this week. Unless we have something that takes place to where people are buying a ton of AMC and they're not limited on shares. And then also the shorts, they have to buy back their shorts. The hedge funds have to buy back their shorts, which will be a case to where the price goes up. But we have to partner that with buying as well so that we can drive the price up really fast. The thing is, do I believe that will happen, that we will drive the price up really fast? I think when you get to the point to where they are going to have to buy back a lot of their stocks, right? We're not going to be able to buy at that point. We're going to be limited. We're going to be maxed out on the amount that we can buy if they are limiting shares. I haven't seen if Robinhood is still going to be limiting shares, but I would imagine they are. They shouldn't really have a reason to do so because the cash flow issue should kind of be over. And I understand that may be an extended problem, but not to the same level that it was before. I am not a financial advisor. Don't take this as advice to invest into the markets. Just hear me out because this is just my opinion based on a thorough analysis that I built. So don't take this as 100% the truth. Again, I am not an expert. So as I look at AMC, you can see that they're kind of flattened out when it comes to the overall trend of it from the last couple of days. I would say flat to a slight gain. You know, you're looking at basically 650 all the way up to the movement of 1346 where they stand now. Now, you could get that sharp increase to 20, and I believe it can happen. We just have to continue to focus, and hopefully you don't have all of the people putting their money into different stocks. But as I start to narrow down in AMC, I'm always wondering exactly what's going to happen here. What's going to happen from this point to where it was low up to this point, and what will happen after that? I think the pre-market is going to tell us everything, whether it does increase or decrease, whether it opens at $18. All I know is that there are a lot of people that got in at $16, $17, $18, thinking that it's going to skyrocket to the same level that GME was. But the problem is that we don't know if that's the case. And if it does get up to that point, you're going to have a lot of people that just either realize a profit or they're looking to break even so that they can get in at a lower cost basis. That's what you're going to see. If you open up at a higher point, you're going to see people sell off, and it's probably going to go back to where it was, where it closed on Friday, but I think it will increase. I think we're going to see the support and resistance levels around that maybe $13 mark all the way up to the $20 mark throughout the week. Now, like I said, I think it will increase. I just don't think it'll increase at the level that a lot of the other people think it will. Wall Street is very smart, and if you think they're going to just take this on the chin multiple times, they're not. They're going to learn from the first situation, and then the second situation, it's going to be half the growth. The third situation, it's probably going to be half that growth. Fourth situation, half, and then until we basically get to zero or where we were at, square one. Now, as you know, I'm personally invested into AMC. I have 400 shares at a cost basis of $12.50. So that's a little bit lower than where we stand right now, but I do expect it to increase to around that $20 mark. If it goes above that, then I'll be really happy. But I think it's going to take some time to really get to that point. Right now, people are still focused a lot on GME, and AMC is not an afterthought, but it is coming after the GameStop success. Let me know what your overall thought of AMC is. Do you believe that it will hit that $25 mark, $20 mark? When do you think it will hit it? Because a lot of people give me, their opinion. It will hit $20, but they have no reasoning really behind it. They don't give me like what they're seeing in the stock. They don't give me, maybe it's because of the shorts and, they have to buy back the stock. They don't give me any type of information. So if you feel like you have reasoning to why it will hit $20, let me know. Put a comment down below and I'll make sure to respond to it. I'm really interested in that. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out my live streams that I'm going to be doing all week. But make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links down below with Webull and my credit card links if you're interested in that. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.